There are many different reasons for the success of our organization. One of the main reasons I think is our patient-driven focus that we have given. So we've always been very keen to offer every patient a personalized care. Right from the way when they book the appointment to the treatment procedure and after the treatment, we ensure that every clinic is warm, friendly, and welcoming. Because you know how patients in dentistry are, they're very phobic, they're scared. So it's very important for us to do that. And the other reason is the great team that we have. We have an amazing team of 85 plus dentists now with all the other staff. They come from diverse backgrounds from across the world, but we have aligned them all to a common vision of giving the most highest quality dental care to our patients. Constant trainings happen to make sure that the quality care is not compromised. And then we offer dentistry right from infancy, from childhood, right till geriatric when the patient is really old. So the entire gamut of dental services is covered by our specialists. So we have a team of pediatric dentists, we have hygienists who do preventive care for patients' routine checkups. We have then specialists in different fields like maxillofacial surgeons who do implants for the elderly people who have lost their teeth. We have got orthodontists who fix straighten teeth for teenagers, and we have got you name it, every specialty in dentistry is covered in our thing. We have prosthodontists who do the crowns and bridges. So it's a group of specialists that are dedicated to giving quality dental care from across the spectrum of age for all the requirements that the dentistry would need for a patient. That's a very huge plus point. The other reason is the great advanced technologies that we have incorporated in our practice. I can proudly say that we have adopted the latest technologies available anywhere in the world in our practices. It's to make the patient care so much more easier and better for the patient. The other reason is for the success would be, I think, the tie-ups that we have in the organizations with both the private and the government. And last, but the most important is the trust that we have built over this period, 20 years, where we grew from just 2 branches to this large organization. It was only possible because, the trust has to come with time, and its credibility comes only when you fulfill and exceed the expectations of your patients. If you look at the Google reviews, the testimonials, the ratings we have, this has contributed by the patients referring their friends and families to us. So I think these are the reasons that have contributed to our success. Yeah, definitely. In fact, I'm proud to say that we are one of the first dental clinics in the region to have adopted AI already in one of our clinics. So we are testing it out, and hopefully we are looking to roll it out across all our branches. See, what AI has done, it's revolutionizing every industry, and healthcare is not an exception to that. So currently what AI is doing in dentistry is that it's helping us to diagnose dental diseases better in the radiograph. So, dentists are all human beings, so sometimes they miss out on some dental pathology in the radiograph, but the AI is able to, detect these issues in the radiograph and bring it up to the dentist and the patient, which then the patient can validate in the mouth. So that's a huge game changer. But I think this is just the tip of the iceberg, because AI is going to grow, and in the coming years what's going to happen is that AI is going to be more into help us in administration of the practices as well. I'm looking at probably artificial bots with AI responding to patient inquiries, replacing humans there, even helping in scheduling treatment procedures with the right time slot. So it's going to change dentistry in the next many years and make it more efficient and more patient friendly. Well, getting the Superbrand has been a huge achievement for us. It's just a validation of the long growth that we have had in the region, and now being recognized as a market leader in dentistry, which we are currently one of the biggest organizations, I think, in dentistry. We have 11 branches of Dr. Joy Dental Clinic, 2 branches of Go Dental Clinic, and we're looking to expand shortly. We have 85 plus dentists with all specialties that you can name in dentistry. And we have dentistries offering preventive dental care to the most advanced implant, full mouth rehabilitations. So that's a huge validation. Second, getting the Superbrand status kind of increases our credibility in front of our patients, being recognized as a large organization and being a market leader. That's so important for us. It's also a morale booster for our own staff because they feel more, empowered being part of an organization that is being recognized as a big brand and a market leader. So I think it's a great achievement, and we are very grateful for that.